Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I have something very special for you. So I walked into my local Canadian Tire store and I found something really cool for you guys. So here it is. It is a MacGyver Emerency multi-tool. So basically it's solar powered, hand cranked, phone charger, flashlight, radio and an alarm. It's good for boating, camping and for your automotive. So on top you got MacGyver Emerency multi-tool. It shows you charging your cell phone off of it, comes with some accessories and the actual flashlight, and then it says charges all phones and then the picture of the actual unit, and then the same thing on the other side here again. It says no batteries needed, solar or hand crank self-charging unit, mobile phone charger, emergency siren, LED flashlight, emergency flashlight light, AM FM radio, and charges all phones. So let's get in this thing and see what this thing looks like. Let's see here. First we got operation manual, which I know a lot of people actually throw this out, but you should read this. So that's that. So what else we have here? We have some adapters. Excuse me. Let's see how this thing works here. Okay, I see. So that plugs into there, and then this must plug into the actual flashlight. And you've got a micro USB here. And then you just plug your regular USB over here, and then this must go into the flashlight. Then you actually got USB excuse me. So that's pretty neat. Let's see here, what else is here. That's it for the box. See what this looks like here. Wow, it's pretty small. Let's see here. Light off. Oh, so it does work. Holy smokes, it's bright. Huh. Oh, cool. It's even got the red light flashing on top of here. That's neat. And then we've got the radio. I'm not going to try the siren because I don't want to wake up anybody in the house. Huh. Huh, cool. That's pretty neat. Then you get your hand crank over here. Just tell me which way it's supposed to go. Nope, you just turn it. I don't know how much turns it takes for it to charge. I'll have to take a look. That's pretty neat. That's cool. Then you've got your solar panel up here, so you can keep it in the sunlight, or I'm pretty sure under regular light it would charge. And then your cell phone charges up through here. So I wonder if this would fit on my phone. Let's find out. So I've got my cell phone here. Let's see if this would fit on here, just to try it out. Oh, it does fit. Let's see if it'll charge. Nope. Okay, so maybe this is the wrong adapter. But it does fit. Oh, there it goes. Is it charging? No. Okay, maybe I need to look at the instructions on that. But anyway, nice little survival little gadget. Okay, so the charger, you can actually charge it using the actual crank, as you can see. So when you stop cranking it, it stops charging the phone. That's actually pretty cool. So if you happen to be camping or somewhere where you got no power, you can actually charge your phone. That's neat. And then to my understanding is you can actually plug this into your computer to actually charge it. So I think that's what this cable here is for. So I'm about to test that out and see if it works. But instead of plugging it into the computer, I'm actually going to plug it into my USB power hub I've got at the side here. Let's see if this actually, if there's an LED light or something that pops up. So no, there is no light on here that I can tell, so I don't even know if it's actually charging or not. That's a bummer. It would have been nice if it actually had a little light or something on the side here that you know that it's actually charging, but it doesn't seem to be that way. So I'm not going to activate the siren because there's people sleeping at this time. I might do a separate video demonstrating that. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but we'll see what happens anyway. Nice survival little gadget. So that's actually pretty cool. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the MacGyver Emerency tool. Yeah. So that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and just a reminder that I am giving out a Nintendo Switch. I am looking for 1,000 subscribers to activate this giveaway. So please tell your friends, family, and let's make this channel grow. If you've got any suggestions for any future unboxings, or maybe some suggestions on how I can do these unboxings a little bit better, please let me know, and I'll try my best to make it happen. Thank you. Please like this video, subscribe, and until the next video, goodbye.